Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from VCT section. Today I want to discuss about the metal cladding. So let us start the topic. Here cladding means an exterior skin which are called as an envelope of a building which protects the building from the moisture and used to cover the outside of the structure. While the term cladding is widely used in Europe and Australia, mostly cladding is used in Europe and Australia countries. This exterior finished material are typically known as siding in North America. In North America, it is called as a siding. Cladding can serve both as decorative and functional purpose. It is used to complement the architectural style of the building while also offering protection from rain, wind, snow, other outside elements. So here cladding which protect the uh, buildings or architectural structures from the natural elements like rain, wind, snow, and it also used as a decorative type. So building cladding also add insulation to the structure while minimizing sound transmission through the walls. But what is metal cladding? Here cladding includes many types and metal cladding is one of the type of the cladding. So let us discuss about the metal cladding. Metal cladding is type of exterior cladding made up of metal. So it is made up of metal and used metal is used in metal cladding. Basically the protective outer covering of on buildings used to describe exterior surface on things like walls or windows, doors and trims. So here metal cladding is used on the roofs or walls and windows, doors and trims. Add an element of beauty to the piece of architecture on which they are placed. So it brings the beauty to the architecture. So metal cladding comes in all shapes and sizes. Here we can use metal cladding in different architecture type where architecture has different sizes or shapes. So almost any steel or metal product can be used in a cladding or facade application. Here aluminum, copper and steel are mainly metal elements which used for metal cladding. So let us discuss detail. First of all, here benefits of aluminum cladding. Let us discuss about the use of aluminum in cladding. Aluminum is the second most abundant metallic element in the earth crust. It weighs about one third as much as steel or copper, and it's malleable, ductile, and easily machined and cast aluminum metal cladding systems last about 30 to 40 years because they resist corrosion well and require little maintenance. So it is mainly used and mostly used instead of steel or copper because its lifetime is more than steel or copper and it requires less maintenance. And coming to the copper, since copper is the longest lasting of all roofing materials, it's no wonder it has been one of the important material in the development of the civilization. It ranks third after iron and aluminum as far as quantities consumed goes. Perfect for architecture metal cladding because of its unique striking look. Find out more benefits here. Let's your home roof stand out in magnificent with a copper metal cladding system. So coming to the steel in cladding, stainless steel also does not come out easily and neither does it rust or stain like ordinary steel. It can be polished to a stain or mirror finish, but you may want a surface finish to suit the environment. Stainless steel cladding systems are way to go if you want your metal roof to always look pristine and classy. So with the use of steel you can keep the architecture stylish and looking. So but you need to polish after certain time. So galvanized steel is not only delightful inexpensive but it also lasts 60 years or more if it's properly cared for. So if we take correct maintenance it lasts for 60 years. It's made of alloyed steel coated with zinc and highly rusted resistant for a roof that's long lasting and beautiful. So with a galvanized metal cladding system. But we have to know why metal cladding works. Instead we can also use wood cladding and different types of metal. But why metal cladding works? So it is a superior barrier against wind, hailstorms, driving rain, falling branches, and flying debris. So it acts like a most barrier thing to the natural elements. And metal cladding is a balance of both function and aesthetic. Because its availability in lightweight, contained length sheets, it's fast and easy to erect, reducing time and keep labor cost to a minimum. So setting of a metal cladding is less expensive than any other things, and it is customizable. With such a wide variety of metal types and finishes, it's possible to create custom metal cladding systems for your roof. No matter what type of metal cladding ruling system you buy, you really can't go wrong. Metal roofing sinks are the way to go if you want a roof that's going to last for decades and look spectacular. So mostly iron is or metal, some metals are customizable, so which we can mold it to our requirements. And here we have many advantages using of metal cladding. You need to make metal cladding as your cladding option, as there are incredible merits of using metal when it comes to cladding for buildings. They include, so here you can see the advantages by using of metal in cladding, like durability, versatility, a wide range of finishes and styles, highly malleable, easy to install, budget friendly, highly sustainable, varied kinds of metal. So it has the many advantages than any other cladding types. In general, we also use metal cladding for roofing, like great roofing system becoming increasingly popular as more people discover the benefits of metal cladding. Roofing does not put unnecessarily weight and pressure on home structure. It's strong and durable. It is very sturdy, can sustain winds up to 140 miles per hour, perfect for homes in danger during tornado season, does not corrode or crack. So using metal is for architecture is attractive, and it is less expensive. Mostly it is less expensive, and it acts like a barrier from the natural disasters, and it is strong and durable. Mostly it has long life, and it requires little ongoing maintenance, doesn't need periodic costly maintenance that common roofing materials do. It can last up to 50 years. Asphalt shingles only last 12 to 20 years. It's energy efficient and environmental friendly. They reflect solar radiant heat, reducing cooling cost by 10 to 25%, made up of recyclable material. So it has